If you're based in Japan or traveling there, you may want a VPN for better privacy, to securely access overseas content, or to connect to Japanese streaming platforms from abroad. Picking the right VPN can make a big difference in performance, security, and convenience. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and hides your IP address, which means you can browse more safely and access services as if you were in a different location. For Japan, you'll want a VPN that has strong Japanese-based servers, fast speeds, strong privacy protections, and good overall reliability. If you're looking for a VPN that's fast, secure, and trusted by millions, NordVPN is one of the best options out there. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price. First, go to the NordVPN website using the link below and create your account. Choose the plan that works best for you. Next, download the NordVPN app on your device. It supports Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and more. Once logged in, you'll see a list of servers. Pick one of the Japan-based servers, for example, Tokyo or Osaka, if you want to access Japanese content, or pick another country if you're looking to access content from abroad. With the connection active, your device will behave as if it's in Japan, or whichever country you selected. That means you can safely stream Japanese TV services, access local banking or business services that check for a Japan IP, or connect to foreign libraries while you're in Japan. NordVPN offers hundreds of Japanese servers and is highly rated for speed and streaming performance. It's still legal to use a VPN in Japan for legitimate purposes, though you should always make sure you're following the terms of any service you're using. Using a VPN is especially helpful when you're on public Wi-Fi in Japan, for example at cafes or train stations, or if you want to avoid regional login issues with Japanese banking or pay TV services. For best security, enable NordVPN's kill switch and threat protection features, which help keep your connection safe if the VPN momentarily disconnects. So that's how you can pick and use the best VPN in Japan for privacy, streaming, and access. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.